In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is pivot tables. A pivot table is one of Excel's most powerful tools for summarizing and exploring data. Think of it as a quick way to turn a long list into meaningful insights without writing formulas. In this walkthrough, we'll create a pivot table from an existing dataset and look at what appears on the screen so you know exactly what you're seeing and why. Start by opening Excel and going to the workbook that contains the data you want to analyze. Locate the table you'll use for the pivot table. Ideally, your data should be arranged in columns with clear headers and no completely blank rows or columns. That structure helps Excel recognize each field properly. Select the entire table. If your data is contiguous and you've clicked inside it, Excel usually detects the full range automatically. You can also drag to highlight the full range if you prefer. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Under the Chart section, look for the Pivot Chart options. Click it, then choose the option to create both a pivot chart and a pivot table together. This pairs a visual chart with the underlying pivot table so you can analyze and visualize in one go. If you like using shortcuts, a quick way to open the pivot table wizard is by pressing Alt plus D plus P. This brings up the classic wizard that steps you through the setup. Keep the selection as the default if Excel has correctly identified your range, and then click Next. Review the details, such as the data range and where you want the pivot table to be placed. And once everything looks good, click Finish. Your pivot table is now created. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the pivot table fields pane. This list is populated directly from the range or table you selected, so each column header becomes a field you can analyze. Below the field list, you'll see 4 areas that control how the pivot table summarizes your data: filters, columns, rows, and values. Filters let you slice the entire pivot table by a chosen field, making it easy to focus on a specific segment. Columns define the labels that run across the top of your pivot table, while rows define the tables down the side. Values are where the calculations happen, things like sums, counts, or averages based on the fields you place there. That's the complete setup. You've opened Excel, selected your table, used the Insert menu to launch the pivot chart and pivot table option, accepted the defaults, and finished the wizard. With the fields pane and those 4 areas in view, you're ready to explore your data with confidence.